like this is somebody, like a test, and we can't tell her anything. But I don't know anything. Me and Grandpa know nothing. All right.
Nope. You see the cycle? See what it's on right now?
Rinse.
Yep. Remember your instructions right here? Click in the middle of the rectangle with the program. So right, click right there. Yep. And then at the top, press program and select the cycle.
The speed 60.
Yep. All right, and then you push that arrow at the top.
Click it or push it?
Oh, push it. Push the arrow to go back. And then, so now your program is right. See, program speed 60. And down there at the bottom it says start.
Ooh, it heard you. All right.